Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by here at thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the S&P 500. I'm going to go over some specific levels here that I really think are going to help you out, that are going to help you make some money in the market this weekend and also moving forward. So let's jump right into it. So we've got, first I want to touch on kind of the more longer term action, and that is we've got this really nice uptrend line that started back here in March, and you can see it's a really nice uptrend line. You can see it started here. There's a direct hit there. There's a direct bounce right off of there. So you're definitely going to want to keep that uptrend line in mind. Obviously, we're quite a bit of ways away from it, but eventually it's going to come back into it, whether it's after heading to new all-time highs or whether we get rejected here and head down here, kind of remains to be seen. And we're going to get into more of those details right now, but definitely want to be aware of that uptrend line right here. The other thing that I want to point your attention to is we've got this major support that happens to line up perfectly with that uptrend line right there. So here's that previous resistance. And again, resistance, once you break over it, and we broke over it right here, previous resistance turns into what? Support. Exactly. Very simple stuff, okay? And that's what we like to do at thetradinganalyst.com is we keep stuff simple, okay? Simple is good if it works, all right? So here's that resistance level right here, right there, right there. We broke over it here. So now this level is going to be a level of support, all right? Right around 2790 to 2800 on the S&P 500. So we also have the 50-day moving average that's right around there as well. So we've got a few levels that are lining up perfectly with this bounce zone around 2790. So if we head lower, I definitely don't want you to panic, okay, because we've got lots of support below us. Now let's touch on kind of the more recent action. So we saw a reversal signal here, and again, if you've watched any of the videos that I've done ever here on this free blog, whether you're on YouTube or whether you're on our blog, we like to focus on this 3-day reversal pattern, and that is here's day 1, it's that green day, and then day 2 is the red day, and day 2 closes below the day 1 low, and followed by day 3, which is a gap up and a close over the previous day's high. All right, that's a 3-day pattern. There's also a little bit more to this pattern that completes the signal, but we only reveal that to paying members once they get inside. But that's the gist of it. I just want you to understand that 3-day pattern. It involves other days as well, but that's the gist of it. And you see that we saw that nice move higher from that reversal signal. The last time we saw this signal, just so you can kind of know how powerful this is, was this day over here. You can see here's day 1. Day 2 is that red day that closed below the low of day 1, followed by day 3, which gaps up and closes over the day 3 high, and you can see a big move up, kind of retraced a little bit, and then we saw the big move there. So very similar to what we're seeing here. All right, and notice we went up and then we kind of retraced a little bit back to the similar level where we reversed at previously. So if we do head lower, to me that's a bounce signal, that's a buy signal against this level. It would be even juicier if it came down into about 2790, which lines up really, really nicely. And again, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but I am saying that I wouldn't be surprised if it happens. And the reason why, and what I mean by what would happen, is us heading lower from here. And again, this isn't a call, all right? This isn't anything like that. Just saying that I wouldn't be surprised, all right? The market is about reacting, okay? It's not about predicting, and I don't predict. I react. So right now, notice how this level here yesterday, all right? Yesterday, Tuesday's action, gapped up, closed higher, but notice the topping tail. Notice the topping tail, and notice right where it got rejected at. That level is the previous all-time high over here that we made in January, all right? So we've traveled all this way up here, and it's taken us March about 4 months. About 4 months to travel all this way, okay? And we haven't seen any kind of a real, retracement, just kind of waving up. So right here would be an area where I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a retracement lower, in which case it's a very, very good opportunity to get back in long because the trend is still here, is up, okay? It's up in the short term, it's up in the mid-term, and it's up in the long term, all right? So we're very, very bullish overall. So any dips should be met with buying opportunities. So really quickly, I'm going to touch on the NASDAQ. I'm going to look at the Qs. So we've got a really nice trend line. Same thing as the S&P 500. The only difference is this trend line is a little bit closer to where we're currently at, okay? The recent action also, to me, looks like see if I can get this, a bull flag right here. There you go. All right, that looks like a bull flag. And if you know, I'm not super technical with patterns, but you do have to recognize them when they present themselves. So, not patterns, but classical patterns is what I mean. So as you can see, we're trading within this bull flag. Today, it kind of broke out of it a little bit, but I want to see it confirm beyond just today. So that's kind of my thoughts on the NASDAQ. Just this one support level here that I want to point your attention to. It was previous resistance right there, and then we broke over it here. You can see we bounced off of it here, and again, it matches up similar to the S&P 500, where it matches up with the trend line as well as the 50-day moving average. So are you sick and tired of watching the stock market boom and you've got nothing to show for it? No results. Maybe you've won a trade here or there. Maybe you've had a winning week or maybe a winning month. But at the end of the day or the end of the quarter, you end up losing money, okay? It happens to the best of us. And it's not your fault. There's a lot of misinformation out there about how to actually get results, consistent results in the market. And it's not your fault if you haven't been successful up until this point. But I want to tell you that it doesn't have to be this way, all right? You don't have to lose in the market. There is a way to be consistently profitable in the market. And that's if you have a proven system that's been back tested and that's been proven by professionals, and it's been proven on hundreds and thousands of other traders. And that's exactly what you get when you sign up and join at thetradinganalyst.com for the premium membership. The most important thing that you get is these easy to follow real-time trade alerts. And they're always pre-researched by me, and they're buy and sell alerts sent via text message. So you can literally trade from anywhere. And these are exact entry and exit parameters. When I'm buying something, you're getting a notification or you're getting a text message. When I'm selling something, you're getting a text message, okay? So you know exactly what to do and when to do it, all right? So you can say goodbye to struggling over charts for hours on end, and then at the end of the day, still making losing trades, okay? You don't have to do those losing trades, and you don't have to do all that analysis. You don't have to comb through a bunch of news articles or watch CNBC, because first of all, that's a waste of time, and that's not how you make money in the market. And second of all, if you join the premium membership here, you're not going to have to spend that time. So it's going to save you time, and it's going to make you money. And this is going to allow you to start making money in the market right now, all right? Not 6 months from now, not a year from now, but right now, all right? As soon as the market opens, we're going to start trading, and we're going to start issuing alerts, and you're going to be able to get your first result within 48 hours, okay? If you get your results, if you start getting results 6 months from now or a year from now, I'm going to consider that a failure, okay? So we want you to get results right away, and you can do that when you join the membership. And this is because you're using a proven system. That's what it's all about. A proven system that's been time tested, all right? Back tested. and proven on hundreds of other traders. And that's what you're getting here with these easy to follow real-time trade alerts. And again, this is going to save you time and make you money, because you're not going to have to comb through a bunch of analysis and charts on your own, because we're doing that for you. And it's going to give you the opportunity to trade from anywhere. Okay, all you need is a cell phone. Do you have a cell phone? All right, good, because that's all you need to make money in the market using the tradinganalyst.com premium membership real-time trade alert. So if you have a full-time job, this is going to work for you. If you have a part-time job, this is going to work for you. If you're a student and you have to go to class, this is going to work for you. All right. If you're a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home dad, this is going to work for you. All you need is a cell phone. All right. And the goals here for the real-time trade alerts within the program are 8 to 10 winning trades per month at about 100% to 500% return per trade. And sometimes we make less than 100%, and sometimes we make more than 500%. But generally, we like to stick around between 100% to 500% returns per trade. Most of the trades are options. We do trade stocks, but most of the trades are options, and that's why we're able to, or that's how we're able to get these kinds of returns per trade, 100% to 500%. And the goal here at the end of the year is for you is $100,000 in annual returns, and that amount is very realistic with these types of trades that we're making. All right. Now, what you're going to get in addition to these real-time trade alerts is the well, first of all, these real-time trade alerts are valued at $2,997. You're getting the options masterclass, so you can hit the ground running and start making money right away because you're learning a simplified approach to options. A lot of people overcomplicate options, and they're not really complicated, and we use a simplified approach, and you can get up and running within a day with all the knowledge you're going to need to make money in the market using options. That's a value of $997. You're also getting the exclusive Millionaire Trader videos, so you can get inside the head of a profitable trader and get a deeper understanding of the market. And these videos are about what's going on in the market right now. They cover education on the trades that we're taking, so you get a really big understanding of what's going on in the market. That's valued at $997. You're also going to get the professional trading watch list, so you can become a better trader and come prepared every single day to make money in the market. Because if you're not coming prepared to make money in the market, if you're not preparing, then you're preparing to fail, and you don't want to do that, so you need these watch lists, and that's a value of $597, bringing it to a total value of $5,588. But you can get started today for just $699. All right, this is a limited time offer, and this is for the annual membership. $699, and you can get started today. You don't have to pay $5,588. All you have to pay is $699, and you can get started today. And you're going to get instant access to everything that we just talked about, but most importantly, those real-time trade alerts, so you can start making money in the market right away, because that's why we're here, is to get results and to make money in the market. But this is a special offer, and it is ending soon. All right. So if you visit the page, the checkout page, and it says sold out, then I'm sorry, but you've missed it. All right. I don't want you to miss out on this, so you need to act now. By waiting to sign up, you risk losing your spot. All right. Somebody else is going to take your spot. And the reason why we limit the amount of people that can come in is because I'm investing my personal time here within the membership. And I want to give each and every member the utmost attention, because that's what you'd want from a person who's handling your trading, right? You want the utmost attention. And that's why I need to limit it, because I can only help a certain amount of people, all right? And once the capacity is met, once the spots are filled, then that's it. 0 people will be allowed in after that. You can't email me after begging me to get in. That's what I always get, as I always get people emailing me or message me on StockTwits saying, hey, can I get into the program? And I say, no, you can't get in because we're filled to capacity and I can only help a certain amount of people. So here's what I want you to do right now. All right, click the button below this video if you're on our blog and fill out the registration form. Then you're going to log into the private members area and watch the welcome video. Then you can get started right away with the training material. You don't have to wait. You can sign up and you can start watching the training material and get started right away. There's zero delay and you get instant access. And then all you have to do is get ready for those trade alerts as soon as the market opens, and you're going to be able to start making money as soon as possible. Do not wait another second to sign up. So below the video, all you need to do is scroll down here and you're going to see everything that you're going to get today when you sign up. And then once you do that, all you have to do is click on this button, add to cart at 85% off. Remember, this is a limited time offer and it will expire soon. And all you have to do is click that button and you'll be taken to the secure, 100% secure checkout page. And all you have to do is enter in your name, your email, your password, and the mobile phone number that you want to receive the text alerts on so you can start making money right away. And then all you have to do is fill out your billing information, or if you'd like to check out using PayPal, you can use this button right here, and just remember to check that box before you click either of these buttons, because then it won't let you submit the order until you do that. So again, guys, do this right away. I don't want you to miss out on these winning trade alerts that we have going on this week. I look forward to helping you make money in the market, and I'll see you inside the membership.